everyone. Today the topic of discussion is economic and social role of advertisement. So advertising is a tool that creates demand in the economy, and the whole economy surrounds around the customer's demand and preferences. So consumers get to know about variety of products available in the market and also show its preferences and required changes to help the producers to make user friendly products. So the production of goods is largely depend on consumers, because if there is no need, there is no worth meaning of production. So advertisement compel consumers in a very cognitive way and motivates them to buy the offered goods and services. So focusing some economic factors which are affected by the advertisement. The first one is effect on value of the product. That is, advertising is a value creation process. It is not right that advertisement is always ethical, because various informations are hidden or not shown in the ads to create the value of the product. They show the positive image of the product and services, and people get motivated to have it. So advertising demonstrates the goods in a manner as to enhance the value and demand for it. For example, the benefit of using mobile phone has changed now, as earlier it was only confined to communication purposes, but it uses now changed as there are immense features available to the user's convenience, and companies are advertising it as like. The next is advertising effect on prices and monopoly conditions. So a competitive advertising expenses lead to increase in price of the product, and ultimately who has to pay? The consumer has to pay. So advertising cost increases with time because of increasing competition day by day. Companies are making a huge persuasive and interactive ad copies. In the process, they incur a huge cost that ultimately act a burden on consumer pocket. So the advertising cost also increases if new product is entered into the market. Sometimes advertisement create monopoly condition in the economy by publicizing a specified product. Price rise creates an inflation condition in the economy, and advertisement may be a big factor behind it. But there are some products which do not advertise, and the companies are not advertising it much, and those are some luxury goods. The next is advertising effect on consumer demand and choices. Advertising creates, maintain and extend demand for goods through brand image, and with this regular psychological brand imaging process, consumer develop brand loyalty, which stick the consumer to the same brand irrespective of other competitor product. So a persuasive advertisement has a tendency to create demand in the market and educating consumer about the differences and quality, which leads to the increase in market opportunity for the consumer. So advertisement and business cycle. Advertising no doubt helps in encouraging more buyers, that is increasing more customer demand that requires stock of workforce to cater the demand, which leads to employing more number of people. It enhances the incentive of workforce operating in this field, and because of this there is increase in revenue of the company, and which they use for the betterment of goods and after sale services. Then advertising helps in generation of national income, because it promotes the sales and create demands, and which further increase the production, and thus industrialization leads to contribute the national income. Now the next is social role of advertising. So apart from advertising being a business process, it is a social organization, as it represents social life and way of living. So American Marketing Association has firstly defined social nature of advertising as advertising designed to educate or motivate target audience to undertake socially desirable actions. Advertising is all about drawing people attention to social matter from giving exact solution. So the social role of advertising is very evident from its practices that it performs for the society, whether it is good or bad in economical, anti-social or prevailing social conditions. As it is good educator, informer and entertainer at the same time, it can be influencing way of cheating people also. So there are some negative and positive aspect of advertising in the social ground. They are deception in advertising. So the relationship between buyers and sellers is maintained if the buyer is satisfied with what they advertise and what they got after buying the product. If the seller show a false or deceptive image of the product in the advertisement, then the relationship between seller and buyers can't be healthy. And this problem can be overcome if the seller keep these ads clean and display right image of the product. Then the next is subliminal advertising. So capturing the mind of the consumer is the main intention of the advertisement. So the ads are made in such a way that the consumer don't even realize that the ad has made an impact on their mind, and this results in buying the product which they don't even need. But all ads don't impress all consumers at all times, because majority of consumers buy product on the basis of price and need. The next is effect on our value system. So the advertiser using puffery techniques, endorsements from celebrity and play emotionally, which make ads so powerful that the consumers like helpless prey buy these products. These ads make poor people buy product which they can't afford. People picking up bad habits like smoking and drinking buy products just because their favorite actor is endorsing that particular product. So this effect is increased in the this effect in increase the cost of the whole society and loss of value system. The next is offensiveness. Some ads are so offensive that they are not accepted by the buyers. For example, ad of denim jeans allowing girls wearing very less clothes and making a sex appeal. These kinds of ads are irrelevant to the actual products. But then there is some ads which are educative also and now accepted by the people. For example, earlier ads giving information about birth control pills were considered offensive, but now some ads are considered as educative and important. Now there are some positive aspects also. The first is advertising improves the living standards. Advertising increases the knowledge of the consumer about the product, like its price, features, benefit, durability, and induce them to buy the same. That leads to increase in demand of the product. For example, promoting Android based mobile and its features and benefit. Nokia was initially very easiest in operating, and generally uneducated people can even operate it. Apart from calling function, people are now directly connecting with the global market that enhance their knowledge base and way of living. ITC promoting education through donating rupee 1 on every classmate copy on behalf of consumer purchase. The next is consumer welfare and protection. Consumer welfare and protection actually lies in safety, fulfillment of the expectation and the aspiration as to goods and services that they need. For example, advertisement warn the people using tobacco that leads to cancer, revealing all relevant information publicly about financial investment in shares or any investment policy of any company. Ads are highlighting like mutual funds are subject to market risk. Please read all terms and conditions before you invest. So ads affect cultural value of society also. Habits, customs, attitude, belief, value, taboos are the part of culture. Every people or group of people possessing different habits, value, way of living. So ads should be made accordingly and also to cater with the same social norms and principles. For example, nudity in ads in India is rarely practiced. McDonald's promotes in India as they do not use beef in their product. Now, several global fast food giants are turning vegetarian in the city by overhauling their menus to include vegetarian cuisines in the vegetarian heartland of Gujarat. In Gujarat, global restaurant chains like Subway, KFC, McDonald's are also expanding their menus for the authoritarian consumer segments. Advertising creates social awareness. Advertising broadly helps in conveying the message of alert and cure of various social problems prevailing in the society, like environment, health, safety, etc. It awares the society and let them update about the recent sensitive issues and make people aware how to face these complications. For example, if people know about the exact symptom and cure of any disease, they can save their life. In recent times, like ad focusing on sexual harassment of women and letting them aware that what to do in such situations and promoting women's safety and protection. The Times of India advertisement, तुम चलो तो हिंदुस्तान चलेगा, ads motivate people to take initiative in social work, social development. Tata Tea Jagore is a cause marketing initiative launched in India by Tata Tea, which aims of raising the awareness for specific causes around Indian people. Satyamev Jayate, a famous television program doing intensive research on social issues and displaying them at large with solutions on various pros and cons associated with its idea, ads of saving paper by using mobile, Amul, everyday comment on hot topic, etc. Advertisement also helps in development of society and growth of technology, employment generation, gives choice to buyer with self-interest and welcomes healthy competition. So that's all for today's lecture. I hope now you have a clear view of role of advertisement in social and economic development. Thank you.